guys, we're going to open this dumpling, but meron pa doon sa taas, pero kinuha ni Mama, right? Yes. It's like this. So first step, we're going to open this. Close my eyes, you too. So where does she go? Oh, you got the real one. Let's open this one. Please clear it. Okay, open this one. Okay. It's crack. Mom, it's good. Oh my god. Good, that's my favorite one. I can't get Mommy, it's a blue. Mommy, can you see the face of blue? It's so cute. Look at guys. I like the blue one. Bro, it's gonna pop.
Yan pala nasa taas. Kala ko malinis yan.
Oh, Mommy, look what I got. Share? I began?
Share. Play with Suela.
I got this dumpling. Okay. It's thick. Wait, it's thick. Bro, it's gonna brew. Can you give me that? I'm gonna exchange. I want to see the lid. It's just. Oh my god, it had different. Look, it's green. It's broken. Look, it's green. It's not green. It is. Can you see? It's not. It's not green. Okay. Oh, look. Mom, it broke the container.
Ito ko, Lola, ano.
Mama, why it broke?
Yan lang naman.
This is original.
Yung nalaman yung pantalon niya.
No, this one here, right? Wait, this is original. That is just here, right?
Ganon. Yung asa na yun. Yung kasama yung t-shirt. Yung washing ko yun.
I can hear water. I say, Mama, nauntog.
Sino?
Si ano, Moshu. Kasi she was playing and then na biglang ano, she was crying. We can't park. No, she's not crying anymore. She hit her head at the electric fan. There's so much air. It's like gel. Like, yeah, kind of airy. Mama, di ba ito yung binili ko before? It's so cute.
Yung... Oh, pink.
Mama, it's more gooder than before, right? This one's the real one. Yung kay Jake hindi. Kasi naputok agad.
Dali ka muna dito. Dali ka muna dito.
Mama, next year bigay mo naman siya.
Ayun.
Girl, yeah, this wait, can you ano?
What do you want?
Like this
The blue color.
Yeah.
Sa'yo na yun.
Sa'yo? Sa kanya na lang? For now?
Yeah.
But I want it.
Oh, come.
Mama, bigay ko na lang yung mga hindi na inbox.
Ayun, sa kanya na lang yan. Meron ka pa dyan, may blue ka pa. Kahit Suela na lang yan. Blue.
Mama, sabihin ko kay ate, look, binigyan ko si Soyla kasi madami pa akong pack doon ng dumpling. Right? Yeah, maybe you could get the another one so you will be sad if you get another like blue one. Mama, can you buy more?
Tama na. Tatlo na yung sa iyo.
Maybe when your mommy has money na. Mama, I go to put this upstairs already. Okay, burger. Bye guys, that's for today's video. Sorry pang mabilis lang.